Hello friends, now let's discuss the second question of this mensuration class 8, which states that the shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle. So from the figure it is very clear, shape of the garden is rectangular from the middle and semicircular at the ends as given in the figure. Find the area and perimeter of this garden. This complete is a garden and we have to find its area first and then the perimeter. So as we can see, it is the combination of two plane figures, that is a rectangle and semicircles. So these two semicircles together form a circle, right? But it is half of the circle. This is also half of the circle. So first we will be calculating area of this complete garden, which is the combination of a rectangle and two semicircle. So we will start with, but before that, for finding area of the rectangle, we must know the length of the rectangle, because here overall length is given, overall length of the garden is given. So for finding the length of the rectangle, that is from here to here, how much is the length, for that first we have to, what is the 7 meters? 7 meters is the diameter of this semicircle. So its half will be the radius, its half will be the radius. This is 3.5 and in a, so this is also 3.5, that means length from here to here, this is also 3.5, isn't it? This much length is 3.5, and this much length and this much length is to be subtracted from the complete length to get the length of the rectangle. So first we will calculate length of the rectangle. Then our task will become very easy of calculating area and perimeter. So length of the rectangle is 20 meter minus these two length of the semicircle at the ends. So 3.5 we have to subtract, and again we have to subtract 3.5, and we are left with 13 meter. So this is the length of the rectangle. Then now we can easily find area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. In the first video I have already explained and discussed about all the formulas related to the chapter. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length we have just calculated, it is 13, and the breadth is as given in the figure, it is 7 meter, and after multiplying which we get 91, and the unit is meter square. So this is the length of the area of the rectangle. Next we will find area of the semicircular part of the garden. So as we can see, this is half of the circle. So area of half of the circle is, area of circle is pi r square. Now what will be the area of a semicircle? That means half of the circle. Obviously half of pi r square, but half of pi r square is at this side also and at this side also. So what we have to do is, we have to add both the half of the circles, which together makes a complete circle, isn't it? Half pi r square plus half pi r square gives pi r square, isn't it? Half plus half is 1. Likewise, half pi r square plus half pi r square gives pi r square. So area of semicircular part of the garden is half pi r square plus half pi r square, which gives pi r square, and pi is 22/7, radius is half of the diameter, that is 7/2, 7/2. So here 2 11s or 7 gets cancelled, then 77 upon 2, and once we divide this we get 38.5 meter square. So this is the area of the semicircular garden. So the total area, that is total area means area of rectangle plus area of the semicircular part together when we add. So when we add all them together, all of it together we get total area. So the total area is area of rectangle plus area of semicircular ends. So area of rectangle we just calculated is 91 meter square, plus area of semicircular ends that we calculated is 38.5 meter square, and the answer is 129.5 meter square. So this is how we calculate total area of the garden, which is a rectangle in the middle and semicircular at the ends. Next is perimeter. Now let's look at the figure once again. For finding the perimeter means boundary. That means the fence, this and this and this. So for this we just have to calculate length of the rectangle, right? So length of rectangle we have calculated 13 meter. So this 13 meter plus this 13 meter plus length of this semicircular part and length of this semicircular part. So as we can see, it is half of the circle. So what is the perimeter of a circle or circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r. So when we are talking about perimeter of the semicircle, we just have to divide it by 2. So perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r, and when it comes to semicircle we just divide it by half. So we are left with only pi r, and as we know there are two semicircular track we have for the garden. So pi r plus pi r we will do, which will give us 2 pi r. So for this and this will give us the desired length. So 2 into 22 by 7, and the radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is 7 as given in the figure. So 7 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. We are left with only 22 meter. So this is the total length of this semicircular path and this semicircular path, in which we have to add the portion of the rectangle, which is 13, and this 13. So the perimeter is given by adding the boundary area of the rectangle and boundary area of the circular path. So perimeter of the garden is 13 plus 13, length of the rectangle, plus perimeter of the semicircular ends, which is 22, and this is just explained just before. And when we add everything, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 8, 2 3 4, so it is 48 meter. So perimeter of the garden is 48 meter and area is 129.5 meter square.